In this video, I'm going to show you how to format your book manuscript in Google Docs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's open a blank document from here. Paste your book manuscript here. This is a story manuscript that I have taken as an example. Before starting to format the manuscript, double-check the manuscript requirements of your publisher before submitting. They likely have it on their website which format they prefer your document in. Let's name this document so that we can find it later and review it. Suppose this is the title of our story. Bring the cursor to the end of the title. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, click on Break. In the pop-up, click on Page Break. Now our title page is separated from the story. Add your name below the title and change the alignment to center. While the name is selected, click on Format, then click on Text. In the pop-up, click on Capitalization and select Uppercase. Place it in the middle of the page. Now double-click on the top part of the page to open the header option. Click on Different First Page. Now in the header, add the placeholders for address, email, phone number, and word count. Now select the story title and click on Format. Go to Paragraph Style and select Heading 1. In the pop-up, click on Update Heading 1 to match. This will create a custom heading for the title. Now let's go to the story and add a chapter. Just like before, select the chapter and go to the heading menu. For this, take Heading 2 and match it with the update. Change the alignment of the chapter title to the middle and make it italic. Now let's format the text. Select all the text and click on the font option. The official font for book publishing is either Times New Roman or Courier. I will select Times New Roman from here. Now change the font size to 12. While selecting the whole text, click on Format, then click on Align and Indents. Now click on Indentation Options. In the pop-up, click on Special Indentation and click on First Line. Now type 0.5 and click on Apply. Click on Format again and go to Line and Paragraph Spacing. In this menu, select Double. Now click on a paragraph in the document and click on Format again. In the drop-down, click Paragraph Style, then go to Normal Text. Now click on Update Normal Text to match. Now, if you paste any other text in here, the format will be the same. Now, let's add the header. Double-click on the header space. Now, add your name and your book's name. In the header part, click on Options. In the drop-down, click on Page Numbers. In the pop-up, turn off the Show on First Page option. Set the start numbering at 0. And click on Apply. Now change the header alignment to the right. And your work is done. Now your manuscript is officially formatted. By following these steps, you can format your manuscript in Google Docs easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.